Hello friends, we will do the simplest of crafts today using egg carton and cardboard tube. We will first cut out the cups in the carton and cut it partially into 5 parts. Trim the edges to make it into a petal-like shape. Color the egg carton flowers with acrylic colors of your choice. We will make 4 or 5 flowers like this, and here I have made two sepals also. Once colored, you can see how beautiful it is. So you make 4 or 5 flowers like this. With the help of any sharp object, I have used needle here. You can pierce 2 holes in the center portion of the flower. You will do the same for all the flowers so that we can insert the floral wire into it. Just insert the floral wires into the hole which has been pierced. So these floral wires will act as a stem to the flowers. Finally, you can wrap it up with the floral tape or wool. The choice is yours. Take a cardboard tube, and here I am wrapping it up with an adhesive sheet. You can decorate it in any way, any creative way. But here I wanted to do a very simple craft, so I am keeping it as simple as possible. With the help of colored glitter tape, I have made a border at the top and at the bottom. Just to give it some weight, I have also inserted a thermocol at the base, and I have pasted it on a circular cardboard, which is actually the one inside the bottle lids. So here a beautiful flower vase, which is very simple, is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you.